Space enthusiasts, today we're diving into a mind-blowing phenomenon of space exploration, cold welding. Picture this: two metal pieces floating in the vast emptiness of space. No air, no water. And guess what? They bond together, permanently. How? Well, in space, there's no oxidized layer to stop the metals from thinking they're one. It's called vacuum welding. And it's a big deal in spacecraft construction and repairs. Understanding this unique bonding helps us innovate and conquer challenges in our cosmic journey. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember, even in the cold depths of space, incredible things are happening. Keep exploring, my fellow space enthusiasts.